Chapter 1. The Chessboard and Sonar Engineering. Lethal precision is not just a phrase. In the deep ocean, it's a requirement for survival. Beneath the waves lies a hidden arena where animal intelligence decides who rules the sea. Not the great white shark, but the orca stands as the ocean's master strategist. But how do they see in the pitch-black abyss? Observe the biological engineering inside their skull. The melon, a specialized fatty organ, acts as a high-frequency acoustic lens. It's a biological sonar, so precise it can see the heartbeat of a prey miles away. From icy Antarctica to the Pacific coast, these wild animals reveal teamwork and precision that few can match. They don't just hunt, they scan the environment with a 3D blueprint in their minds. Chapter 2. Dismantling the Shark, the Hydraulic Press. Orcas have cracked the code of shark biology. They understand that a great white's greatest weakness is its own equilibrium. Using their 6-ton bodies as hydraulic rams, they flip the shark upside down, triggering tonic immobility. In this state, the shark's brain effectively shuts off. This is not a random clash. It's a carefully planned engineering of death where physics meets biology. They target the liver with surgical precision, extracting the nutrient-dense organ while the predator is helpless. Strategy redefines the balance of nature itself. Chapter 3. The Biological Battering Ram and the Hunting Culture. The film reveals how wild animals pass knowledge across generations, building culture and legacy. In the Arctic, orcas have engineered a way to weaponize the ocean itself. By swimming in perfect synchronization, they create a wash, a powerful wave designed to knock seals off ice floes with the force of a tidal wave. Their communication is key. Wild animals use distinct dialects to coordinate strikes that leave their prey with no escape. Look at their reinforced bone structure in this X-ray view. Their skull is built like an industrial hammer, capable of ramming whales 10 times their size without sustaining a concussion. Chapter 4. The Biological Computer and the High-Performance Engine. Behind every coordinated attack is a central processor that outperforms any human-designed supercomputer. The orca's brain isn't just large, it possesses a highly developed limbic system, the part of the brain that processes emotions and complex social bonds. This processing power allows them to perform fluid dynamics calculations in real time, while moving at 50 kilometers per hour. It's not just intelligence, it's a level of awareness that allows them to understand the fear and fatigue of their prey. But a powerful processor needs energy. Observe the engineering of their circulatory system. Their muscles are saturated with myoglobin, a protein that stores oxygen with 10 times the efficiency of human athletes. This transforms its body into a high-performance internal combustion engine, capable of sustaining endurance chases that would exhaust even the great white shark. Its skin is also part of this machine. It regenerates every 2 hours to remain perfectly smooth, reducing water friction to near zero. It's underwater aerodynamics at its finest. Every inch of the Orca is optimized for energy efficiency and absolute lethality. Chapter 5. Masters of Hydrodynamics and Shadow Warfare. The Orca's supremacy doesn't end with its physical strength. It extends to its ability to manipulate the environment to its advantage. On the coasts of South America, they have perfected a technique that defies the instincts of any land animal: intentional stranding. They hunt in the wave impact zone, calculating with mathematical precision the tidal flow to glide across the sand, capture their prey, and return to the ocean before becoming trapped. It's a game of millimeters where a miscalculation could mean doom. But their most terrifying tactic is shadow warfare. In the open ocean, orcas use air bubbles to create acoustic curtains that confuse the sonar of other cetaceans. By swimming in absolute silence beneath these curtains, they become invisible, turning into tactical phantoms that appear out of nowhere. This ability to transform water, air, and land into strategic weapons confirms that we are not dealing with a mere animal, but with an engineer of controlled chaos. Chapter 6. The Verdict. The Legacy of the Super Predator. Witnessing these incredible displays of power and ingenuity, one thing is clear: the orca is the ultimate apex predator. Its legacy is not merely a matter of brute force, but of a cultural heritage unique in the animal kingdom. Unlike other predators that rely on genetic instinct, the orca depends on learning. If a mother doesn't teach her calf the technique of beaching or crashing onto a wave, that knowledge is lost forever. We are witnessing a society that values education as much as survival. Its legacy is written in the blood of the strongest in the ocean, proving that knowledge is nature's most lethal weapon. But this throne is fragile. As ecosystem engineers, orcas regulate ocean populations, maintaining the balance of a world that, without them, would collapse into chaos. Survival is more than instinct, it's strategy. They have survived ice ages and massive climate changes thanks to their brains' adaptability. They surpass any other creature in cunning, strength, and resilience, reminding us that in the chess game of evolution, they are always 3 moves ahead. Join us in the wild world of Mante and Mani as we continue exploring the mysteries of animal fights and the bioengineering that governs our world. Subscribe to follow the adventure of the true kings of the ocean. Knowledge is power, and power is wild.